Hello guys, my name is John.
Hey guys, my name is Mike.
Hey guys, I'm Jeff.
Hello, my name is Jack Wool.
Hi, my name is Zachary.
This is Jeff, and I'll be discussing more about the sponsor in the project. Diameter Health is a healthcare company with a focus on clinical data. The goal is to have cleaner data and better visualizations so healthcare professionals can better understand their data. Diameter Health achieves this through their values of innovation and simplicity. To aid them in their goal, we were tasked with upgrading their clinical web application to modern aesthetics, as well as providing more informative visualizations. As you can see here, Diameter Health has many different solutions that they implement. However, we were focusing on the single one, and that was Analyze. In order for us to accomplish our goals, we decided to implement new technologies to assist us. These technologies included a database called Druid, as well as a new visualization tool called Superset. Now, before we delve deeper into these technologies, we will show you a diagram describing the processes that we had to go through.
Hi, this is Mike and I will be explaining the architecture diagram for our project, the Fusion application. The Fusion application is broken down into four main parts. The first part of the project was to create a pipeline that extracts patient data from MongoDB and uploads it into Druid. In Druid, we can then perform data analytics and manipulation and pass that new information onto Superset. Once Superset has received the data, we then created visualizations such as graphs and charts and used React JavaScript to extract the visualizations off of Superset and embed it into the new dashboard, which is also powered by React. Next up, Zach will be explaining how Druid works.
This is Zachary, and I'm going to be talking about Apache Druid. Apache Druid is an open source data store that we use for data ingestion. After the data is ingested, it is stored as data sources, as examples can be shown here. These data sources can be queried just like any other database, and you're able to see the columns and their values. During data ingestion, data manipulation can be performed. As an example, using the numerator and denominator columns, we were able to create a score column as the ratio between the two. These data sources are able to be queried by Apache Superset to create the visualizations for the Diameter Health Fusion application, which Jack will talk about next.
Hello, my name is Jack Wool, and I'll be talking about Superset. Here's the dashboard for Superset. Superset's an application that allows for the creation of charts and diagrams from a specified data source. Diameter Health's Fusion application fetches charts from Superset and displays them in the application. The filters used to edit the data query for each chart are also generated in Superset and then pulled into Fusion. Here's an example of a chart created in Superset. Superset gives an option to specialize the type of chart and data source, as well as what values are being measured and additional customization options. Filters can also be added in the same way that charts can. Filters are created by specifying the variable in the dataset that is being altered, as well as an optional label. Next, John will talk to you about the difference between the old and new version of Diameter Health's Fusion application.
This is John, and I'm going to go over the Fusion application dashboard. On the left, you can see there's many different ways to edit your query in the old version. You have the completeness and syntax score of medical data entered into the database, and you have the section information, which shows the section for each type of medical data, the amount of entries, the completeness, and syntax. You can also see the performance over time using the completeness and syntax scores. This is our version of the dashboard using React as a base with the graphs and charts coming in through Superset. So on the top, you can edit your query with drop-down menus. Then we have our own charts and graphs that are embedded into the web page using Superset. You still have the syntax score, the completeness score, the tables, the charts, and the graphs. It's all just laid out a little bit differently. We are happy to have finished the project and have a seamless transition from data entered into the Mongo database, converted to the OLAP cube, then creating visualizations with Superset and embedding them into a React page. And we would like to give a special thanks to our sponsor at Diameter Health, Harvard Pan, and his team, as well as our advisor for the project, Professor Shin, for all of his help and support.